Welcome back. It's time now for international developments.
In news from overseas, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio says slight progress has been made in talks with Iran as diplomatic efforts continue amid fears the conflict could resume. Rubio made the statement Friday ahead of a NATO foreign ministers meeting in Sweden. His comments come days after President Donald Trump said he delayed possible military action against Iran because serious negotiations were taking place. Meanwhile, Pakistan's army chief traveled to Tehran in a renewed attempt to help broker peace talks. At the NATO meeting in Helsingborg, ministers also discussed how the alliance could help secure the Strait of Hormuz after the conflict ends. And the public health risk from the current Ebola outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo has been raised from high to very high by the World Health Organization. In an update on Friday, WHO head Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus also said the risk in the wider region in Africa was high, but it remained low globally. The rare species of Ebola known as Bundibugyo has no proven vaccine and kills about a third of those infected. So far, the outbreak centered on DR Congo has resulted in 177 suspected deaths and 750 suspected cases. It comes as scientists at Oxford University in the UK are developing a new vaccine that could be ready for clinical trials within 2 to 3 months. And those were the top stories from around the world. I'm Nakinsky Robinson.